Hello class, today I will be demonstrating biceps, two types of biceps exercises. One is a standard bicep exercise and the second one is hammer bicep exercises. I'm using 5-pound weights. Your starting position is always back straight, arms in. You're curling, doing 10 repetitions. 1, back down, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to give you a side view. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, twisting it, 10. That was a standard bicep exercise. The second one is called the hammer bicep exercise. Standing straight, keeping hands to the side. 1, breathing. 2, you breathe in, out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, side view, 10. You're always doing 10 repetitions. When you're doing an exercise, you never do any less than 3 sets. So I did a set of 10. I would do 2 additional sets of 10. And whenever you're working any muscle part, you always make sure that you're doing no less than three sets. And another thing that you would always want to do is you want to increase the weight with each set. I do a set of 10 and then I'll increase the weight by whatever it is that's comfortable for you. And there you have it. Two types of bicep exercises. Thank you.